Today I am using fennel to make a gorgeous salad. Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. Today I'm working with fennel, and I believe it is one of those ingredients that just gets forgotten about. So with a few simple ingredients that you probably have in your house, we are gonna make a really delicious and refreshing and beautiful salad. I'm gonna just start by taking the bottom and the top of the fennel apart and cutting it in half. To get really nice thin slices, I recommend the mandolin for this, just because you don't wanna have big, thick, chewy pieces of that fennel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the entire piece and get that all into a bowl. The next ingredient that I'm gonna use is an orange. I'm just gonna peel it and then give it some thin slices and then cut it into quarters as well. I try to get all of kind of that white bit off of the orange so that I get as much of just the orange and the juice into that salad. It is a really great combination of color and flavors in this fennel salad, so I really recommend giving it a try if you haven't yet. All of that goes into a bowl together, and then our next ingredient is red onion, and I like to make sure that this one is cut extra thin. You can use the mandolin again, but I'm just going to use my knife skills here. A little bit of radish. I'm going to go with some lemon juice and pepper on there as well. Give it a good mixing and make sure that you add a little bit of the top of that fennel too. It looks a little bit like dill, and a little bit of olive oil just to bring it all together. I like making sure that this goes in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes before serving to let some of that acidity really cut into the flavors and bring it all together. So that was pretty easy, and I really think it's just so pretty. I love pretty food, but I also like eating food, so we need to try what we made. Yum! I feel like a lot of people are nervous to try fennel because of that black licorice flavor, but it's so mild when you use the raw ingredient. You freshen it up with that citrus from the orange and the lemon, and you're good to go. If you're nervous about this one, I suggest just give it a try and see how it goes. Trying new things can be fun and yummy. So thank you for coming to the Silly Kitchen, and I'll see you again soon.